Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be explaining how to use the ATR channel indicator. All right, I'm just going to be showing you how to set it up and use it immediately. First of all, you have to go to the Forex Geek website. You're going to see the link in the description. You just follow the link and you're going to get to this web page. You click on this to download the indicator. You get back to your MetaTrader 4 terminal. You go to File, Open Data folder. You navigate to MQL4. Of course, go to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. You come back to your navigator and just click on the refresh button. Right click, okay? Right click inside the navigator and then you refresh. And after that, you have to look for the ATR channel indicator, okay? See, we have it here. You drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then as for the input, you can see a variety of settings that can be modified. The MA smoothing method, you can change it from simple to exponential or smooth or linear weight. The MA period, you can modify this. If you want the indicator to be more sensitive, you reduce the value. If you want it to be less sensitive, you increase the value, okay? As for the ATR period, you can also modify it. If you want less sensitivity, you increase. If you want more sensitivity, you reduce, okay? We have number of deviations for the first channel, for the second channel, and for the third channel. And then we have the apply price, whether you want to apply to close, or open, or high, or low, or median, or typical price, or weighted, right? And then we have the horizontal shift of the indicator in bars, okay? So these are the customizable settings. We have the theme as well, okay? Auto, light, dark, custom. So whatever is your preference, whatever are your preferences, you just have to, of course, set the indicator as you wish. And then now we can see how the indicator functions. It helps you to enhance your chart analysis. And this indicator, of course, is built around the concept of the average true range. Okay, it plots adaptive price channels. As you can see, adaptive price channels that expand and contract based on real market volatility. Okay, these channels, as you can see, they help you identify breakout zones. All right, you can see now in this case, you can see how the price was literally bouncing between these two lines, right? And then eventually we had a breakout to the upside. So this indicator helps you identify breakout zones, trend strength, support and resistance level. You know, these are all dynamic support and resistance levels, right? So this indicator, as you can see, plots these levels for you, and all you just have to do is look for breakouts, trade in the direction of the trend, and all of that. Okay, ensure that you trade in the direction of the trend to play safe, right? And employ proper risk management as well. If this video was in any way helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more valuable topics like this. Okay, there are a lot of indicators for you to learn how to use in this channel. Okay, so trade safe, trade smart, and see you in the next one.